Monday, January 8th, and confidence continues to grow for the potential of severe weather late tonight into early Tuesday, as Escambia County's risk has actually been upgraded, so we're now included in a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. With any storms that turn severe, we have the potential to see all modes of severe weather. This includes damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour within those severe storms. A few tornadoes are also possible, some of which could be EF2 or stronger. Now, hail, it's one of the lower risk, but the risk is still there, so we'll watch for that, as well as for significant coastal impacts. So here's the breakdown for what's to come. First, this impactful system comes from a strengthening low pressure system with an associated cold front that will move through the area. With this system that's moving through, there will be 2 rounds, with the second round being the most substantial. Now, storms will be ongoing through today as the warm front starts to lift north. That's going to allow for warm, muggy air to move in, and this will act as fuel for the storms to tap into. Now, timing for the main event is 3 a.m. overnight into 9 a.m. Tuesday morning. Now, let's look at wind. Conditions will deteriorate through today with sustained 20 to 30 mile per hour winds and frequent 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts inland. And along the coast, we could see 25 to 35 mile per hour sustained winds and gusts up to 60 miles an hour. This means power outages, down power lines, and trees could happen before severe storms move in. A rare high wind warning is in effect for southern portions of Escambia County. The rest of the county is included in a high-end wind advisory from this afternoon through Tuesday evening. Now, as for coastal and marine impacts, confidence is high for dangerous surf, 10 to 13 feet, dangerous rip currents, and a rare storm warning is in effect off the coast. This is only the second time since 1994 that the National Weather Service of Mobile has even issued one of these for the Gulf waters. So the risk of coastal flooding, again, that's something that we have to continue monitoring, but moderate coastal flooding is a possibility. So overall, here's a look at what we're expecting. Storms are going to start today along with rain through this evening. That warm front starts to lift north late this evening. That's when watch for storms to turn severe. The cold front moves through Tuesday morning. A line of storms will be ahead of that front though, so we'll still even then be watching for severe storms. Storms will drop heavy rain, with most of the area seeing 2 to 4 inches. Locally higher amounts are possible. There will still be some rain as we go into tomorrow, but the storms will be pushing east through Tuesday. So by Tuesday afternoon, dry conditions should prevail. Now, adjustments to the forecast, they are possible and highly dependent upon trends. So if these trends continue, we could see an upgraded risk. So please stay weather alert today. I will be issuing social media posts, so make sure you are checking in for the latest information. Also, be sure to have critical alerts set to on in your phone settings. Turn your phone volume on before heading to bed so that you can be woken up by any alerts as they are issued. And a weather radio is always a great option to receive weather alerts and warnings, as well as any other trusted weather sources, such as local media. Thanks for spending a minute with EM.